So here's my solar panels. Here's my setup for my test right now. So I'm just testing out this one. So these are bifacial solar panels. So the bottom, if you get any sun on them, you could also get solar gain, more power. So this is a reflective barrier. Let me show you what that is. That I'm just using. So this is just a test. Let's see. So it is just this stuff. I have a link in the description below if you guys want to get some. So I've been using this for my attic. So I had some leftover, and I was just like, why don't I just use it as like a mirror looking thing? So you could just using this, or just use like bubble wrap or something, the reflective one. So let's go see the bubble wrap reflective one. Never mind, I don't know where I put it, but let's see. So my sun starts up over there. He goes all the way over this way. So it goes over this way. So during the morning, it hits that, bounces off there, and hits there, and gets a little more power. And then from the top, gets some more power that way. But then I do have a fence and trees, which blocks that area. But this is just for testing. So what do you guys think about this? I think this might be a little dangerous or something. Like, what happens if the sun hits it and then shines on something and then burns it? I'm not really sure. But yeah, this is testing out. I'm gonna do a few other ones too. So while it's on the ground, it's only getting like 300 watts because this is a 360 watt panel. But if you do it like this, it gets like 360 max when you get full sun from both sides. Stream Ultra. So let's see. Yesterday it was a little cloudy, but yeah, it was generating around 330. Okay, and then the day before it was cloudy too, though. Since it was last 2 days it's been cloudy. There it is, 300. So 330, so a little more. But when it is cloudy, let's see, like this is like when it was cloudy, it generates more than the floor ones right there. As you see, like almost double. Is around there. Yeah, see? The purple one is the one we're talking about. Let's see. Which is on the table. I'm trying to build another table right now on it. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna check that out. So yeah, like and subscribe if you guys can. And then what other tests should I test out? Do you guys have any other opinions on this? Let me see if this is generating right now. Right now it is generating 7 watts. 3 watts. Those are 3 watts right now. And the sun's over there. And then 6 watts right there. So yeah, I'll take a look at it later. I'll try and test it out on a sunny day. It's been like cloudy in the last few days. It looks like it's gonna be sunny today. And yeah, I'm gonna build more tables. Thanks for watching. See you guys.